got you. Luxury living, we know the way to make you feel like a million. Opening doors, we take you to high.
Hey, Steve Zalunardo here with Treviso Realty. Just a real quick update on the current market here. We'll start off with inventory. We're at 20,840 units available all through Southwest Florida, like our neck of the woods through Lee and Collier County. 291 sold in the last 7 days, or actually closed. So very similar to last week regarding inventory and solds. Then we kind of break it down into a scale. We're at 759 total units available. Again, I removed manufactured homes because that's not a market we deal with. And then we had 10 closed versus last week's 16, but we also have had pending and contingent sales very similar to the week prior. We're finding obviously builders are giving great incentives at the year end here in November into December. So yeah, they're going really aggressive on incentives. Either they're removing prices off the home sites or giving you heavier incentives on let's say finishes and features in the property. And also they have the attractive rates for naturalized citizens in the United States. So Pulte, Lennar, Toll, whatever developer we're dealing with, they're going to give you better rates if you're a naturalized citizen. If you're a foreign national, those rates are not available for you. You're going to have to go through the other channels that we obviously have networks with. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We did a deal in Babcock. Beautiful villa, like really unique villas. Never seen design like this. It's Toll Brother is the builder, so nice design models. They basically play out like a single family detached. Very, very nice units. And at the height, these things were 4 and change. We got it down to the mid 300s, so which is good for our clients. They're very happy with the product. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's look into months of inventory. I kind of looked at this just recently now. Let me just shrink this screen down. And you know, even for investment's sake, everybody loves their condos, and I always go against condos because it's when they produce condos, there's a lot of them available. So when you need to rent them, sell them, they're going to be very difficult to do that. They're easy to buy, but when you really need your money out or cash in, it's usually a disaster. I'm going to show you a quick map here. So this is Bonita Estero. And again, we're not heavily full of condos here, but you'll see the contrast between the two. So right now we've clicked off of single family dwellings. If you look at it, we have in the height of this year was 7.2 months of inventory, which in real estate terms is really bad, not good. A lot of inventory. That's why we're having issues selling, things staying on the market for very long. Obviously, multiple price adjustments to get any property sold. And then you drop it, you know, September we're going down to six months, October 5.8, and now we stepped it up a little bit in November to 6.1 months of inventory. And this is new construction. If we get into resale, so previously owned, we're at about 6 months of inventory also as of November. So not the greatest, to be honest. This is obviously why there's still deals to be had in the market. Remember, once the rates start correcting themselves, they're getting lower, this will all change. It'll get back to something looking, this is a little bit too much, like less than a month of inventory, but maybe around here between 2 to 4 months of inventory would be nice, easy flow. But what I was trying to say regarding condos, now have a look at condos regarding inventory. So we'll go into previously owned. So at the low point of this year was 7.4, or I guess around the same time as the resale single family dwellings, or around the similar months of inventory. But look now, as inventory gets pumped onto the market, you got 8.7 months of inventory. And if you get into new construction, just look at this. This is in February 2024. We had 2 years of inventory, which is, you're better off just holding it. You're not going to be able to sell it. And we kind of dropped off, and now we're at 12 months of inventory. So a year of supply of inventory right now in the new construction of condos, which is it's a lot. This is going to be a disaster. If you obviously for pricing, you've definitely lost a lot of value from when you purchased it, unless you purchased it many years ago. But this is obviously a downward trend, and that's why I always look at single family dwellings, where it's, even though this is still high, relatively high for any market, it's a lot lower than a condo. Try to sell a condo when there's 2 months of inventory. You're basically giving it away in order to get it sold. Yeah, that's just basically my thoughts on condos. I know we get a lot of clients come in and they want a condo, and I kind of push them into different products, to be honest, different style. You know, even if they are condos, they're like going to be like those 2-story, more of those boutique style condos, nothing with an elevator or quite large. And then this is our build here in Cape Coral. We're coming to a close now. Today we had some feedback from the city of Cape Coral regarding the irrigation. We had to apply for a permit. First time that this contractor's experienced this, which is fine. I mean, we all kind of make mistakes, but it is what it is. We're here now, and hopefully we can get the piping laid down today at some point, which would be great. And then if you kind of look back here, oh, there's somebody on site. Over the weekend, we had our pool company install a cage. I'm actually going to head up there very shortly to kind of take a look and see what's up. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions regarding real estate, let us know. We'd be happy to take your calls. Bye-bye.
Treviso Realty.
Treviso Realty, opening doors to